Outlook 2016 has an archive button which moves an email to a specific folder. Is there a keyboard shortcut for that action? Word lets you customize keyboard shortcuts from inside the Customize ribbon preference pane. Outlook seems to lack this feature, but I'm admittedly not an Outlook guru. Is there a way that I can invoke the archive button using a keyboard shortcut? This is the button I'm referring to.
In versions of Outlook pre-2016, this functionality existed in the Move to Quick Step. It was renamed Archive in Outlook 2016, and there's a larger button, but it's the same as the old Quick Step. Right-click Archive in the Quick Step pane, or move to if you're using an older version of Outlook. Click Edit Archive, or Edit Move to an older versions of Outlook. Specify a shortcut key combination from the drop-down. In Outlook 2016, if you hover over the Archive button, it tells you that backspace is also a keyboard shortcut. I can't speak for other versions of Outlook.
Archive in the ribbon archives an entire folder. To set up hotkey archive of individual or groups of emails, right-click an email in your inbox, go to Quick Steps and GT, Create New. Then you can set up a quick step and select a hotkey combination.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.